When we hear our cars make strange noises, it often makes us worry, but Jim Champion, the auto guy, says we may be worrying for nothing.
If you're like most drivers, when you hear a noise on your vehicle, you might get a little bit scared. Not only because you might break down on the road, but because it might cost you big bucks to fix. But there are times when that nasty noise really is not that big of a deal. Sway bars are part of the suspension on your vehicle, and they're designed to keep it stable when you're twisting around corners. You can hear rattling noises sometimes coming from the suspension. Many times they're associated with the end links that attach the sway bar to the suspension, or even the rubber bushings that mount it to the body of the vehicle. Now, it sounds like a big bad deal to get these things replaced, but it's usually not that expensive. If you hear kind of a tinny rattling noise underneath your vehicle, it could be what's called a heat shield. Heat shields protect the exhaust heat from going up into the vehicle or coming off the exhaust pipe itself. Now, if it's a heat shield that's mounted like this on the exhaust pipe, as long as it's in overall good shape, you can usually take a stainless steel band clamp like this, mount it where it came loose, and the noise will be gone. Exhaust hangers are like thick rubber bands, and if they break, the exhaust can bang against the vehicle. These parts are only a few bucks a piece and super easy to install. Once again, a loud, awful noise can be repaired for very little cost. Sometimes you'll hear kind of a rubbing noise, especially when you're turning. Many times it's just a plastic splash shield that's come loose, especially over the winter, and it just needs to be tucked back into place. Most times you just need a fastener or two, and you're good to go. If you have a wind noise on your door, it's usually associated with the weather strip that's on the door. Usually means the door itself has bent out just a little bit. A good way to test is to put a dollar bill in there, and if it pulls right out, that door needs to be bent in a little bit. Most times, you can just put the glass down on the door and carefully bend the top of the door in just a little bit. It bends pretty easy. Put the dollar bill back in there, and if it's harder to pull out, the wind noise should be gone. Sometimes the noises are actually associated with something you've done. We find things like eyeglass cases that are rattling around inside people's vehicles, or especially inside door trim panels. People put items in there, and they make all kinds of noise. One of the biggies we find are golf balls that are rolling around inside the trunk of the vehicle. So make sure you check your vehicle out for that noise. You might save yourself some bucks before you go into the shop. For WOWT6 News, I'm Jim Champion, the auto guy.
And if you would like to ask Jim Champion a question, you can always send your suggestions directly to him. His email address is jim@charliegraham.com.